Here's an example of a predictive signal on the E-mini S&P, one of the most popular markets that we get asked about. Does it work on this? And the setup today was based on a predictive signal from 10:02. And you'll see that's colored blue. All the signals down on the bottom of the chart that you see times coming up in the future that are blue are times in the software's scanning that are historically selling times. So it's telling me this morning before the market ever opened to watch for selling at 10:02, 10:32, 10:53, and then additionally in the future 11:17. These times are always here. They don't change, repaint, disappear, etc. And so at 10:02, I took a short, and you can see it's at 68.81. Now, I know that in between 10:02 and 10:32 is a buying phase. You'll see here down below where it says 10:13. We'll pull it up. The program is also warning me that this is where institutions come in and buy. But buying for me in a downtrend essentially means profit taking. So all along in here, people are covering shorts and cashing in on the short that they took up here at the top of the move. So what I've done is I've set up a risk-reward ratio rather, where whatever I was willing to risk at 10:02, my stop was 1.5 ATR values away up here at 68.90. As soon as I get to 100% of my risk-reward ratio, I move to break even. All right, so if I lock in one tick here, it's a free trade. I can't lose money on this trade. What I'm ultimately looking for, though, is a 2-to-1 RR. So if I survive this profit-taking session and 10:32 starts to drive down lower, I can move my stop to 100% RR, and then 200% RR is my ultimate target. So these times are giving me a heads up. Something is happening at 10:02 potentially that keeps happening enough times in the historical data that I need to be aware of it. For some reason, JP Morgan's algorithms, Deutsche Bank's trading desk, somebody's doing something regularly enough lately that 10:02 I need to be aware of a repetition of that behavior pattern. And so you can see here the risk on this trade was the heat rather, not very much, and then we moved straight down into it. So will I survive? I'm trailing here. I could have taken profit at 1-to-1. I want 1.5 or 2-to-1. And so this is a point in the trade now where my hands are off.